It's great for me. I've been able to use my Cadw membership, and I've had so much more time to spend with the family. I'm really lucky I've got Castle Cork, really local, so at least once or twice a week I'm up here walking the dog ledley around the castle grounds with our mates and that. We all bring our dogs up here, which is fantastic, and I can spend a lot more time with my daughter Anna and my wife Rachel as well. With rugby you travel quite a lot, but we can go around seeing the sights, and the Cadw membership is fantastic for us. We've got Castle Cork, Caerphilly Castle as the crow flies, so my house is 3-4 miles away, which is very local. There's also Tintern Abbey and Chepstow Castle as well, so it's fantastic. And my little one loves the castle as well. She's at that age where she's really into princesses and stuff, so the castles for her fantastic. Yeah, definitely plan on going to Tintern Abbey and Chepstow Castle, and especially when it's like a nice day, you can take the dog with us as well and take some food up there, make a good day of it, and then there's activities like storytelling in the castle as well for the kids as well. So it'd be a great way to get out and have some really good quality family time. I have been to North Wales quite a few times actually, and George North's always telling me how beautiful it is up there, and I can't argue that, to be honest. You go up North Wales, it's a stunning part of the world, so to go up there and see more of the heritage and sites up there would be fantastic with the family also. There are hundreds of monuments in Wales, and I'm really proud to be a Cadw member.